Hey, hey, we talked about this. Don't start without me. You can't have mystery plate package without me. Wooly the crazy license plate guy. We're on to 297. If you started without me, you wouldn't have known what was in here, would you? Why would you do that? Okay, you want to see this plate? And then find out all the juicy details there are, everything there is to know. I hope you guys are all enjoying these videos. Mystery plate package 297. And I'm Wooly the crazy license plate guy. Hit that subscribe button today. Always upside down. Arizona. The University of Arizona. Looks like they're the Bobcats or the Lynx or something like that. M7538. It's another kind of beat up roadkill plate. They must have lost the championship and someone was just like, throw that thing away. Anyways, we're going to check out the special features. We'll figure out what kind of animal that is, what the University of Arizona has accomplished, and see if anyone famous ever went there. Who knows? The University of Arizona. Red, white, and blue. A lot of red, white, and blue going on, isn't there? What do you guys think? You like this one? I know, you're weird. Check it out. And you know where we're going. We're heading to YouTube. Special features time. Woo! Yep, I'm here. Special features. Mystery plate package. 297. I believe you made it here. Going to Arizona University. Checking it out. Checking out the Bearcat, Bobcat, Minx, Lynx, whatever the hell that thing is. I don't know. Do you know? Cool university. I found a picture of it. A couple pictures of it. Styling looking place. I don't know. Some awesome cactus. A lot of cactus there in the desert, in Arizona. And I found a whole bunch of different university and school related plates to throw in this special features. Like the old University of Arizona plate. It's pretty sweet looking. And the new one. They got rid of their little animal. Went flat, went red. Just jumped right out at you. It's all right. Then we got the University of Phoenix. They just use that horizon plate with their little symbol on the corner. Nothing too special. But check this next one out. Support your schools. Sweet black plate with a hand-drawn apple on there. Whew! I like that one. I like this next one even more. School vehicle. Brown and yellow plate. Vintage as can be. Looks like it was left out in the desert maybe. I don't know. I feel like there's a couple more universities on blue plates maybe. Midwestern University and Grand Canyon State. They're both blue. Blue and boring. You know, they are what they are. They are. And there's one more. The Arizona State University. With the Devils. He's a devil, mama. Little devil running around on there. Some cool plates. Support your schools. Go to university. Check out Arizona today. It's a lot of sand and a lot of cactus. That's all that's going on there. And schools. That's all I got. That's the special features for Mystery Plate Package 297. An awesome day. Awesome week. Awesome year. Find a cactus. Go to school. Learn something. Pick up a book. Get into trouble. Do whatever you want. It's your life. But hit that subscribe button. And if you're still watching this far in, comment Apple. I don't know, you're a true fan and you've watched all the way to the very end. Okay, till next time.